with us today. Tosma, can you tell us your evaluation?
Thank you, General Evaluator. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Yeah, I was evaluating the president and one and only TM Santosh. If your actions inspire others to do more and do better, you are a leader. That line started the tone, set the tone, and is the summary of the whole project that he has done and the speech he gave. Because at the end of the day, no matter what you do, no matter how you do it, but until unless the people working under you do more, you propel them to do more and perform better, you are not a leader, you're just a manager. The role for TM Santosh was to identify his leadership style in his job as a part of this project and showcase it in the speech. And he did it 5 out of 5 the way he did it. There are different ways of leading a team. There are different, ways who are accepted in the industry to lead the team. And like TM Santosh, even I did my homework on 5 to 7 different styles of doing the leadership before I started the evaluation. Although TM Santosh evaluated them, categorized them simply as X and Y, I did more into 5 to 7 different styles of leadership. So you can be any kind of leader as long as you make people perform better. The question though is, which style is the best? So like the speaker said, that they are authoritative styles, they are controlling styles, you can get the results better. But what is the style which on a long run will make people better? Transformation leader, you have to choose one style. Yes, as a leader, it's your choice what you want to choose, but which one you will achieve the objective. I concur with TM Santosh that it's the style Y, the style by which you propel people to perform better instead of forcing is the best style to make people perform better. During his speech, TM Santosh not only started very well, but also gave examples of how he leads his own team and examples which aligned with his style of leadership. If the objective of his project was to identify his style and showcase us, he did a very good job. That's what he was supposed to do. As far as clarity, vocal variety, eye contact, gesture, comfort level, I don't even have to comment on each one of them because it's TM Santosh. I don't even have to go there. He did a fantastic job. The eye contact was amazing. The voice was amazing. He always makes sure through his presentation, through his speeches, that people are always have an eye contact with him. That's the kind of attention he did that. So it's very difficult to find a room for improvement in such an amazing speech, to be very honest. But if at all, if I would say if TM Santosh could have challenged himself in the speech, that is, he gave the examples of good leaderships. He compared very briefly with leadership which may or may not work, but he could have given the actual examples of bad leaderships. He named Modi, he named Donald Trump, for example, but did not say what's right, whose leadership is best and wrong. For example, me personally speaking, I would say Donald Trump's style is really bad and he failed badly, and because of which what's happening in America right now. He did not lead by example like TM Santosh did. That's why America is suffering the way they are suffering today. So maybe he could have given, compared this example with, openly the bad examples as well. That's the only room for improvement, I would say. Otherwise, it was an amazing speech which inspired us, and I'm sure that's a right path TM Santosh has chosen. I would like to congratulate you on this.